In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store and download free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. In them, scroll down to click on Apps, select Default Apps, and tap on one of those sections, which is Home App, over here. Most importantly, hit Launcher Pro to apply it and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, hit Allow All for your launcher to work properly. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully applied. If you want to make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions within. If you want to go back to your default launcher, access the same settings, access default Home App section and hit System Launcher to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!